Welcome to the PLA 3.0 What's New series. In this video, we introduce our new add-on, the bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assay package. It supports you in the calculation of endotoxin concentration based on the methodology of bioMérieux. Features of this add-on include predefined templates for the bioMérieux assay kits, a customizable assay layout, multiple analysis options, a configurable test system, documentation options, and extensive analysis results. In addition, we provide an import module for you to streamline the processes from plate reading to assay analysis. PLA 3.0 templates allow you to define the assay layout and analysis settings for repeated use. The add-on comes with templates for the 96-well test kits ENDOLYSA, Endozyme 2 Go, and Endozyme 2 Go strips from bioMérieux. It also includes example templates for specific use cases, such as gain optimization or a morning test. Of course, you can define custom assay templates to use with your own assay configuration. The new plate overview on the dashboard provides condensed information about the endotoxin detection assay. Specify the reference standard according to your setup. Configure test samples by adding information about the threshold value of endotoxin concentration, or the spike of the respective positive product control. Further, add controls to use them as the baseline for your data, and to determine assay validity. You can choose between the linear and nonlinear regression model to fit the standard curve, with more options for fine-tuning. For example, select a blank control to adjust data for the linear model. Or choose a weighting method for fitting the nonlinear model. In addition, you can calculate the optimized gain for qualification of plate reader sensitivity. In PLA 3.0, test systems are entirely configurable, giving you full control on how to verify the assay. The bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assay document comes with tests to qualify the plate and individual samples. For example, assess the validity of your assay with tests on the endotoxin concentration and its estimated variation, the positive product control recovery rate, regression parameters, and the blank control. Further, enter information about the operator, incubation, measurement, or instrument settings to keep track of potential assay influencing parameters. Because of the flexible document structure, you can choose which information to provide. After performing the analysis, you can create print-ready PDF reports or use the CSV format for further processing of the results. The report contains all important information about the standard curve fit. In addition, it not only shows details of the test samples, their positive product controls and further control samples, but also a comprehensive summary of the main results. This includes a status display whether samples pass or fail the assay, or are invalid. In connection with the bioMérieux Endotoxin Detection Assay package, we also provide an import module for Tecan Magellan microplate readers. With this tool, all steps from plate reading to final results become effortless and convenient. Simply prepare the assay template in PLA 3.0, import your measurements, and analyze the assay to create your output. You can also integrate these steps directly into the Fluent Automation Workstation solution by Tecan Magellan. Of course, PLA 3.0 provides full traceability of imported data. Every single bioMérieux endotoxin detection assay document is also 21 CFR Part 11 compliant, to support the requirements for highly regulated environments. Please visit www.bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.